Well, hello everyone. Um, by the time this video here aired, hopefully you've been seeing the first video. But my goal today was supposed to have been planting some of my seedlings out. Not all of them, just a few of them, just to see how they were going to wither the storm. And as you can tell from the first video, I did some prepping for the possible of some stronger wind. So not necessarily because of the weather did I opted not to plant them, because I'm pretty sure they will love the rain. Number one, I secured my stuff because I didn't want unwanted things to come in. But as you know, I have a little kitty cat that's not mine that likes to come and tightrope on my gate. So not only is he jumping on the gate, he's actually landing in my bed. So I'm gonna take you back there to the bed that he was in, that I actually had to chase him out. Because although I was shooing him while he was walking on that gate, he was looking at me like this is my spot. And I ain't playing that, okay? So he didn't run when I shoot him. So, okay, he decided to jump in my bed. So I'm going to take you back there so you can see exactly where he jumped. Give me a minute. So this is the bed that he jumped in. I had a water bottle sitting right here and one on the ground so I can be ready to do my watering, position my bottles. Well, at first, I'm thinking he's seen something. Okay, dude, if you're bodyguarding, cool with me. But oh no, he jumped. I just had to smooth it back out. So nothing right now looked disturbed as far as my little bean plants, or over here where my cucumbers are at, trying to grow. It was a little hole, looked like someone dug it up, kind of right there where that particular leaf is at. So I smoothed that back out. Now, I could have done it when I kind of got a little soil out of there, but now it's kind of making me wonder. I know I'm not tripping. So anyway, before I go in, I did harvest like 3 of the banana peppers up here. I'm going to leave this one and leave that one over there. And I did look a real close look, and I'm going to see if I can actually get you in better. So I do have, I think that's a squash. Okay, it could be a zucchini. We'll see in a minute. This one here has not produced anything yet. So this here is, I know it's a zucchini. And this one I know it's a squash. And so far this one hasn't done anything. Now these zucchini leaves here has gotten bigger. And oh, I know. Guys, do y'all see these seedlings here just since yesterday? And like I said, by the time you see this video, hopefully you've been seeing the one before it. They're doing well. I mean, that's a collard. These are mustards right here. And they're doing well. Okay. The ones over here are doing great. Great. For how I know they grow, they're doing fine. So I'm going to sit you back up. And I'm sorry if I'm big facing you. But I really do. I want to plant my seedlings. But the cat has gotten me nervous. Not the weather. Even though I did as much as I feel like I needed to do for the weather with the corn and that particular zucchini squash over there. I have nothing else. I mean, other than the okra, my green beans, not my green beans, my peppers. I think they're gonna wither accordingly. I don't think they're going to be like too far gone. I don't know. I've never been up here in their remnants or whatever when you have two storms coming together. So I did opt. I said, okay, you know what? Don't be hasty. Just chill. Tomorrow, nothing is expected to hit. Our chances of rain starts at Tuesday. So the person I am, I will be monitoring the news, the weather station, throughout the day and tomorrow. If it looks like it's going to be a potential of it changing for the good, then I might come out and actually do it tomorrow. If it looks like the chances are kind of going to still be on the iffy side, then I just still hold off until the weekend. If Lord say the same and I'm still in shelter, okay? Because I don't know what to expect from up here. And those that know, I'm in a mobile home, okay? Anyone else that's going to feel the effect of this here, stay safe. Do what you can to protect your family. And if you're a gardener, protect your garden. It's kind of like if you haven't prepped yet, then expect bad results. I don't know, really what else to say is that I'm more just I'm ready for the rain because I really want some rain for my garden after the rain. And it'll give me a better idea of just what's going to fill up and what's not. Right now, we expected, as of Tuesday, rain for at least 7 days, some type of percentage. So, they didn't say every day we would get good rain, but we will get rain out of those 7 days somewhere. Yeah, so just again, stay safe, everybody. I think I am going to be smart about it and not plant my seedlings. Yes, it's a bummer, but at the end of the day, if everything goes smoothly, we can get up out of the threat of storms safely. Then I can say that my seedlings, I don't have to start over with. Can I? Yes. Do I want to? No. So, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that like button. Share the video. Leave a comment. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen so far, let me know. One question I do have, I would like comments or suggestions on. What can I do to keep the cats out of my bed? Because I do have the fence up. Should or should I not plant catnip or the cat grass outside of my fence? Maybe he'll stay outside. This song always rings. Hold on, honey. Okay, so my husband called 3 times in a row. Okay. Well, okay, guys. Yes. What can I do to keep him out? Now, if it was my cat, I would be a little linear, and can figure out something to do inside my fence. But what can I do? Because this sucker jumped in tightrope. He climbed that fence, so he's not worried about the wire fence. Okay. That is a big concern of mine. I don't want to lose another watermelon that's trying to grow. I don't want to lose no more vegetables that's trying to grow. And that was the first experience, the first experience I had with something eating my, like that, decimating a fruit I had growing. And that broke my heart because I could have been eating no watermelons like now. But what is good that I can grow, that really works, not some remedy that, oh, if you do this, if you do that, they'll stay out of your bed. Something that you really know for sure that works. I'm not trying to kill it. I just don't want to end my garden beds. So that's what I want help with. What can I do as a non-cat owner to keep this stray cat out of my garden bed? And I'm not feeding it. So I don't know why he keep coming over here. But anyway, Thanks again. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, leave a comment. I appreciate any help you can give me on the topic. Have a great day and stay safe. So guys, this is 24 hours since the last video. And look at this comfrey, guys. It is taking off. Man, it grows pretty fast. And this is sitting in my room.